In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Capcut Pro subscription on your iPhone. We know managing subscriptions can often be tricky, so we'll walk through each step carefully to make this process as seamless as possible for you. Whether you want to manage your budget better, or you simply don't need the service anymore, cancelling a subscription should be straightforward. To start, take your iPhone and let's go to the Settings app. You can usually find it on your home screen, easily recognizable with its gear icon. Once you've tapped on the Settings app, you'll be greeted with a list of different options. Here, you'll want to look at the very top of the screen where you see your Apple ID, which is associated with your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that. Tapping your Apple ID takes you to a new screen designed specifically for managing all things related to your Apple account. From here, we're going to focus on subscriptions, which is where you'll manage your Capcut Pro details. Scroll through the options until you find subscriptions. It might take a moment if you have a lot of different settings, but it's usually nestled in a section about halfway down. Once you locate the subscriptions option, give it a tap. You'll now see a list of all your active subscriptions through your Apple ID. This is a great way to see everything you're currently subscribed to and can help remind you of any services you might have forgotten about. In this case, we're looking for Capcut. Go ahead and scroll through until you see the Capcut subscription. Once you do, tap on it to proceed to the next screen. This display will show you the details of your Capcut subscription. Here you can see what plan you're currently on and other pertinent information. What we're interested in for today's purpose is the option to cancel. You should see a button that says cancel subscription. Tap on this button to begin the cancellation process. After selecting to cancel, you might be prompted to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is crucial because it ensures that you're intentionally deciding to stop the subscription. Follow the instructions to confirm and you're done. Your Capcut Pro subscription will be set to cancel at the end of the current billing cycle, meaning you can still use the service up until that time. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully cancelled your Capcut Pro subscription on your iPhone. Always remember to check your email or the subscriptions menu if you want a confirmation of cancellation for peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any other tech questions. Enjoy your day.